Captain Deuce, are you ready to take the boys to the lake? You guys ready for your first ride in the Runaway? Alright, helpers. Ready to check air pressure? Yeah. Alright, take your valve stem off. Gotta take the cap off of it.
With this?
Yep, spin it off. Alright, you gotta shove that on the end and watch the gauge. Light it up.
Around 60.
Alright, then we're good. What's the gauge say?
Around 60.
Alright. Let your brother try again. Now that you showed him. What's it say?
52.
Thank you. Alright, man. Grab the yellow handle and pull it on out of there. Lay it on my paper towel. Alright. First time you always wipe it off and put it back in there so we can check the oil. It's been sloshing around. Gotta push it. There you go. Alright, pull it back out so we can check it. Like I said, the first time you just get the oil off of the stick. Now we're going to check to see how much oil is in there. Let's put it on my paper towel. Oh, it's running away from me here. What's it say? Other side?
It says full.
On the full line? Alright, we're good. Alright, who wants to start it?
I can.
Okay. Alright, ready to start it and see if it runs good? Alright, keys are in it, man. Just get up there, sit in the seat, put your foot on the brake.
This is the brake?
That's the brake.
Okay.
Don't touch the other pedal. Turn the key. Let off the key. There you go. Put your foot on the brake.
This?
Yep. Turn the key. Once it starts, let off the key. Let off the key. There you go. Come on, walk around. Gotta check for any leaks, squeaks, bombs, scrapes, scratches, open doors. Is it good to go? Thanks for cooking us lunch, Gabe.
No problem.
Looks good.
I got a ham sandwich.